Hey everyone, my name is Jack, and today I wanted to talk a little bit more about SSH configs and how that can make your life a little easier. So one thing that's a little annoying about interacting with caen is typing in that really long hostname and username, right? No one likes to type out the entire thing. That's really long and tedious, especially if you need to do a lot of things fast. So what you can do is you can make an SSH config and set it up so you only have to do SSH caen. Kind of like what I just showed you. And another thing you can do with your SSH config is you can actually store the socket that you use to connect to caen, and you can kind of re-wake up the connection after you disconnect. So check this out. After I exit from caen, normally if I SSH into caen again, I would need to redo the duo and retype my password, right? Which is really annoying. But since I saved the socket into a file with my SSH config, I actually don't need to do that. And this is really nice if you like to do SSH and SFTP, because SFTP will take advantage of that same socket SSH uses. So if I do SFTP caen, I'll get dropped into the SFTP shell, which is really, really useful. So the way we set this up on WSL is you're going to have to use sudo and whatever text editor you like. I personally use Vim. And you're going to want to edit this file, SSH config. So here, I've already made the changes needed. And you can see them down here. And I'll also copy paste this into the video description too. Not sure why you can't see the bottom of my screen anymore. Maybe, oh, okay. So yeah, you can see that you just want to set your, you just want to add basically that text blurb to the etc or etc ssh underscore config. And then we can talk a little bit about how you can set this up on Mac OS or Linux, such as like Ubuntu. And the way you're going to want to do that is instead of editing this file with sudo, you're going to want to edit the local SSH config. So that is found at tilde/.sh/config. And as you can see, I already have it set up for WSL also, but for some reason, WSL ignores this file. So I had to do it in the etc file instead. So yeah, hopefully this video is helpful. I think the SSH config, especially with that socket storing, is really, really useful and saves a lot of time looking at your phone on Duo. So yeah, good luck with the rest of the project and see you guys.